In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Kindle to its factory settings. Now, this can be really useful if either you're selling your Kindle and you want to go and remove your Amazon account, or if you're experiencing some kind of issue with the Kindle itself. Now, to do this, just go and unlock your Kindle like so. Make sure it's turned on, and then you can use your finger to swipe down in the top navigation. Now click on All Settings. Now click on Device Options. You could then scroll down this page and click on Factory Reset. Now, as you can see, this is going to restore your Kindle back to its original settings, so all of your account information and all of your downloaded books will be removed from this device. So it will essentially be like when you first purchased the Kindle out of the box, and you'll need to go and set it up as if it's brand new. Now, any books that you have downloaded on your Kindle account, obviously you'll be able to restore these in the future as they're linked to your Amazon account and not this device. So if you're happy to do this, just go and press Reset, and then you'll just need to wait while your Kindle factory resets.